Welcome to Tradition Insurance Services. I'll be hosting you through this brief video on how to submit an application for errors and omissions insurance and quickly get a very competitive quote back to you. We'll begin by going to Tradition's website. So here we have traditionamerica.com. Again, that's traditionamerica.com. Once we get to the website, we'll click on the Errors and Omissions tab. And here we are on the Errors and Omissions page. Now we offer competitive E&O policies for real estate brokers and agents, mortgage brokers, appraisers, property managers, and home inspectors. We also do per transaction E&O insurance coverage. And we'll click on this Apply Now button. This will bring up a PDF that you can edit online, so you'll be able to type in your information here. I will begin with the first paragraph. A lot of this information is very basic. Best way to reach you, phone numbers, addresses, so on. Paragraph 2 here simply asks if you're a corporation or sole proprietorship. It's going to ask the name of your business, your license number. It's also going to ask how many people work with your group or your company, so they know how many people will most likely be insured under your policy. If you're a broker and you obtain insurance, in many cases, everyone that works with you is then insured as well. But we can continue on with that later. And then a requested effective date. Now keep in mind we do have E&O coverage for transactions that took place prior to you obtaining a policy with us. And you're welcome to inquire about that as well. Paragraph 4, you're simply going to fill in any information that you have on past E&O carriers that you've held policies with in the last 5 years. And now 5 through 8 are simply questions if people have sought after you for some kind of dispute or you've been declined for insurance, any kind of disputes or claims you've made on your insurance in the past. And after line 8, there'll be some specific paragraphs. Paragraph 9 here specifically pertains to residential real estate brokerages. And of course, if that pertains to you, you'll fill that out. If not, most people will be filling out paragraph 10. This is just simply showing where the majority of your commission income comes from. That way, the carrier will know what kind of real estate exactly they're dealing with and can anticipate the cost of the claim depending on where the dispute may arise from. Now box 11 here, this is for mortgage brokers. And then box 12, if we can get to it here, box 12 is for commercial and land brokers, and 13 is actually for business brokers. Now remember, all of these are for different types of business, and if you happen to do one or more than one type of business, you'll certainly fill out any box that pertains to your company. For example, if you do residential real estate and you broker businesses, then you do box 9 and box 13. And you'll just put your name, title, signature, and date. Print this out. Of course, although you can type in the signature line, you'll need to print and sign the hard copy after you print it out. And there's a fax number that you can send it to, or you can scan and email it to info@traditionamerica.com. And you can always contact us. Our information's on the website, traditionamerica.com. You can call us anytime or fax us this application, and we will have a quote to you as soon as possible. Thank you very much, and feel welcome to contact us with any questions.